Hey, good day, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. And good evening, guys. Happy to be here with you on another live stream show. How's it going, guys? Let's get into the business. Let's just quickly invite all our friends and community members on the stream. Make sure to like the video, guys, so we can pick the numbers up. And continue our great journey. Today we have a nice session with a special giveaway coming from Thrive Trading. So this is gonna be great, guys. Make sure to share with your community members as well, pretty much everywhere. I'm just sharing right now with our friends here over there. Let's go, guys. What a beautiful time, beautiful day. We're also going to trade today the Thrive trading accounts. We are going to trade them today. We've got 5 accounts of 150,000 and we're going to perform there. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining. So we've got 5 accounts on Quantower. I got it set it up and we're going to trade today those accounts as well, which means we're going to trade a lot of the accounts today. It's going to be pretty exciting. And then once we finish with the trading, we've got the giveaway. 1 account of $50,000 from Thrive, which is a great solution. How's it going, everyone? How's your day? Welcome. $21,354. Let me open up and share with you some things that are very important here, especially with a yearly opening, and we're trading above that. Let's go, for example, to the 15-minute. We're trading above the yearly opening right now. We're trading above a whole lot of the indications in a bullish context market. Thrive Trading Group is another instant funding, a new instant funding company. I have been posting a review video about it on my channel. EOD is end of the day drawdown. You want to check out the review video I made on my channel about Thrive, a new instant funding company that has an interesting product. It allows you to also have more accounts and, of course, the ability to pretty much have the swing trading accounts, 25% consistency, and bonuses up to $30,000. Right, so you want to check that out as well, the whole review video I made on my channel. Now, what's happening out here in the bullish situation of the market with the tariffs that are continuously addressed by the US administration? We are seeing the whole picture getting more and more predictability, which is why the markets are reacting like this. It is a response to what has happened. It's quite interesting. The markets are not slow. Bitcoin is $104,000 and the other markets are going quite aggressively as well. DXY is once again above 100 for the US dollar. Gold is pretty much having a little dump here in the past 30 minutes. Yeah, we're going to discover today how does the Nasdaq trading is going to be. which I'm definitely not expecting it to be having a major negative impact. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Right, so for those of you that would like to discover a new firm, Thrive Trading Group, we have a review video about it on my channel. Good morning, guys. Good morning, fellas. Hey, Joom. Thank you, buddy. Good luck as well. Appreciate it, and good luck as well with the good company you guys are constructing and building. Thank you, guys. We are going to trade the usual instant funding companies. We are trading the Ticktick Trader, Tap 1 Futures, and Thrive Trading Group. We are going to trade all these three companies from Monday to Friday, every single day at 8 a.m. EST time, and have giveaways for you. So you have a lot to benefit from there. Good morning, guys. We are going to push this. We don't have anything scheduled in terms of the economical news. But as I told you during all my previous live streams, during this stage of the markets and during this stage of the life we are living, the unscheduled news that are coming from politics based on conferences, speeches, and any sort of unexpected, unscheduled announcement is actually contributing much more than the scheduled ones. So it is a special environment that we're needing to trade. And we are going to trade on that. Have a good day, guys. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining. I have a video comparing evaluation versus instant funding. I have a video on my channel which brings you a broader picture but also a detailed explanation behind the benefits. So you can definitely look into that and consider the presentation. There are many things that are coming in advantage for the instant funding scenario, which is what I'm portraying on that video, guys. So make sure to check that out as well. This is going to be a huge, huge giveaway today. $50,000 instant funding for Thrive. Thrive Trading Group. And by the way, there is the 35% discount for those of you that would like to take advantage of accounts from Thrive. Let's see how does the golden pocket represents here the action. I'd like to see another fixed range volume profile line as well from the daily opening. That's the price section we have for the fixed range volume profile line. Thinking this could come a little bit lower here back into the 30s. But at the same time, the 1 minute is no longer that bearish. So if I get into the 1 minute representation, it's a little bit different. The 1 minute came straight into the golden pocket here. anticipating fireworks show today. That would be lovely, guys. So we're trading our Ticktick, our Tap on futures, and Thrive trading. This is gonna be a big day as expected. Yet the markets are very, very slow right now. And there is not much I can do about it. Good morning, everyone. Flow token price. Targets. I certainly don't know about the targets of that crypto right now. In the middle of nowhere, I cannot tell you what to expect, guys. That is not possible. If the price action comes back into the 40s, I could test out something as a limit order here into the 40s, so 21,340s with a limit order, but we might not get that. We might get a nice retest of the 55 here. Look at that. I have missed my entries there. The market is running. Pretty strange. Pretty strange. Five-minute wants to get above 60s. So I would test it out, guys.
Order filled.
We got into 2 contracts.
Order filled.
4.
Order filled.
6 contracts have been filled. I'd like to see the price action going above the previous high made around the 60s.
Order filled.
This is more likely a 6 points trade only. If we continue our impulse. Let me get into the 1 minute again. There is a resistance here. And I'd like to see the price action hitting above that.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. We should see the first round of fireworks at this time. Hoping for the first round of fireworks. Otherwise, I'm gonna cut it away. As Is it cutting out? I think there was a connection issue. Yeah. I think that was a connection problem. But now we are back. We have a good protection so far coming from the bears on the 55. Yeah, the movement is happening, guys. The movement is happening, and we are about to touch the target. Come on. I'm gonna put my stop loss very soon to my entry. We're sitting here with 10 minis and seeking... That's pretty ugly. I'm gonna put it right below that candle, guys. If this is failing right here to push, we're speaking about price action. Keep going.
Order filled.
There you go. There you go. And that's what we gotta push, guys, and do it. $1,432 with a great fireworks show. This is the first trade of the day. Let's go, guys. Indeed. Let's go. So we have hit the target for the day on our Tap 1 futures. Thank you, guys. And we're moving forward basically to Ticktick traders. So Tap 1 futures, we have actually finished for the day. We have been copy trading our accounts, bringing it to the profit needed, to the target needed, looking forward our Ticktick trader accounts. Our $250,000 accounts that are copy traded as well. Those of you speaking about gamblings, you gotta relax, guys. You gotta relax and enjoy. This is not the place where you find conflicts. No, no. Beautiful. We've been receiving support from the golden pocket for a bounce. Obviously, you're going for the liquidity when you have that. And then based on the price section, you get into the long. That is the translated form of what we have been doing earlier. I don't have a limit on the number of trades I'm doing. Certainly no limits. Alright everyone, make sure to like the video. Come on guys, let's pick up the video likes. You gotta do it. You also want to join our Discord, especially if you want to be part of the giveaway today. $50,000 instant funding account for Thrive Trading we're doing. For those of you that would like to find out more about a new instant funding firm, Thrive Trading, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. Join the Discord, like the video, these are mandatory things, and of course be subscribed to my channel to be part of the giveaway we're doing a little later today. The golden pocket basically is a representation of the Fibonacci retracement element, and this is appearing between 0.618 and 0.65 Fibonacci. That is usually a level of reaction that is mathematically proven to be like that. So expecting most of the time reactions from those levels, and that's exactly where we got it today on the golden pocket. So we bounced, and based on the price action, which means on the 1 minute candlesticks, we have managed to push. Oh, let me just move this to the left side. Let me just do it this way, guys. This way everyone can see the whole picture and the whole business about. Yeah, trading view chart. Thank you. Thank you, Badger, for letting me know.
Order filled.
I like to see with a stop loss slightly above. How is it going on our 250k accounts that we're trading?
Order filled. Order filled.
We might get stopped out there.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out there for... This is looking like it wants to continue to the upside. That strength on the 5 minute is real, guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna rush into right now. I'm not gonna rush into anything. I'm gonna give it sufficient time and explore.
Order filled.
This would be an interesting point to form a rejection and then continue.
Order filled.
It would really be an interesting level to go for the highs of 369. Especially on Ticktick Trader, you can do micro scalping. You're allowed to do it. So that works for me. Stop loss is going to be on my entry. If we get denied here, probably we're going to reverse based on the price action I see. We were very close on touching the target.
Order
I'm
filled.
out of this. We secured something, but not much. Probably this is going to be an interesting short entry here if the market stops grinding.
Order filled.
From my perspective. With the stop loss on the top of the structure, we could nicely flush, as we are doing. Look at that one, guys. Stop loss on my entry. We're break even. We're gonna look forward, breaking below this perspective and continue our move. This is a strong 5-minute rejection. We might get here down into the daily VWAP sitting on 300s. Right there on the 300s. We might get into that. So I'm gonna move my target pretty low.
Order filled.
$3,000 target here is actually the maximum I could earn. Let's go, guys. That looks good, right? What do you guys think about? Looks pretty good. How do I have my setting in Project X of seeing profit and stop loss? Well, you see them automatically. You see them automatically when you trade. If you don't, then on the top right corner, you have the settings wheel. The chart settings wheel on the top right corner on Project X. You can adjust things from there, but you can also adjust things from the settings here on the left side menu. You have the left side menu. You can adjust things from there.
Order
I
filled.
think we're gonna add a little more here in this small. Beautiful.
Order filled.
$3,700 for my target. And the break-even situation, guys. It's lovely, right? Look at that one. Looks pretty good so far. Stop loss is going to be moved right above the current red candle as we're going to trail. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. We have got a $50,000 giveaway today. Stick with us. The giveaway is going to happen on our live stream. You have to be joined on my Discord, which is pinned in the chat. You also want to like the video and be subscribed. Giveaway is going to be a little later. We're trading 3 different instant funding companies today. We have started with Tap 1 Futures, Ticktick Trader right now. On Tap 1 Futures, we made the maximum. We made 1,400, which is the maximum I need for my consistency. And then we have basically the Ticktick Trader, which is having a good P&L so far. And then we're going to continue on Quant Tower with Thrive Trading. Very interesting moment here with the golden pocket. I'd like to see how does the 5-minute react. From the way we have been working around the upper levels, this is a lower high. And the lower high appears with a beautiful price action for the 5-minute candlestick right there, forming a massive rejection to the upside and then an impulse candlestick, right? So we have here an imbalanced candle, and we can nicely get into this imbalanced candle. Also touch the daily VWAP, right, on the 300s. That's something that we could actually categorize lovely. Moving my stop loss to break even. I'm not going to hurry up on this. I'm going to leave the market sufficient room here to continue their job. That's a beautiful moment of sell-off. Hope that it's going to continue, guys. We would actually touch the maximum target needed for our Ticktick Trader accounts on 250,000. Keep in mind, guys, for any company, Scramble is the coupon code you can use for maximum discount. And that's going to be lovely. Hey, Christoph. Hope you're having a great day, guys. I do enjoy the numbers, especially that I'm going to trail above the current candle and continue our ride. I think we're going to break below here. Let's see, how does this 5-minute looks like? It has potential extension into the 19th. And then this whole thing is going to be traded exactly like in the books. Exactly. We had people today telling us that we are gambling. That's right. Look at that one, guys. The gambling is going beautiful. And it's very productive. Usually gambling is not. Moving the stop loss, we're going to trail it. And I might just get rid of 2 contracts here.
Order filled.
I sold 2 contracts.
Order filled.
Sold another round. And I'm going to move my take profit even a little lower. We're trailing this one. So we have eliminated the loss we had of, what was that, about $700, right? And we secured a profit here of 1,580 plus a decent trade. That's good, guys. I'm not doing the fireworks because it's not the trade has not been closed. So J Cola, the number they are asking for is for your passport or national ID. So the number of your verification document.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Another $420 closed. $1,995. Pure profit, guys. Let's go. And here we are. Here we are. We are green pretty much everywhere. Copy trading our top 1 futures 1,432. And copy trading our Ticktick trader accounts $1,995. Green everywhere. I'd like to see if I can make a little more here. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Yesterday we didn't have the best day, but it looks like not every day is yesterday. Not every day is yesterday. Daily VWAP on the 300s. Absolutely normal. Thank you guys for joining. Let's go ahead with a powerful round and like the video, everyone. Share it with your community members, with your fellows. We are having a great time, especially the giveaway. Christoph, well, when it stops climbing? When the political and economical world decides to stop this one, that is the only moment this is going to stop climbing on the macro. We have crossed everything. We have crossed the yearly VWAP. We have crossed the yearly opening. We were thousands of points away on the Nasdaq. We're 2,000 points away, and we quickly recovered. The reason is the stability that is regained from the issues we had with tariffs. The tariff approach generated a significant sell-off and an environment that is not fruitful. It's not beneficial for the markets. Exactly. You can have your number there, your ID number or your passport number, so the KYC. This could be an interesting 1 minute formation we might be building here, but I'm not going to force it for the moment, guys. We're up to $2,000 and there is nothing better just to be back to back on great. Exactly 2 times. J Cola, 2 times your number. Not a problem at all to be back to back on green trades. We gotta chill out, relax, and enjoy. And by the way, we've got a moment. I'm gonna sort of share with you all the links that I got. That one is basically for Top 1 futures in the chat. This one is basically for the Ticktick trader and for the new instant funding firm Thrive Trading. Everywhere Scramble coupon code for those of you that would like to utilize is giving you the maximum discount available. For Thrive company, I've published yesterday, the first review video. So we might see something from 320s around the corner here. But I don't think so, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
I don't think so, but let's see. We could be going lower here. We could be going here to the 300s. Daily VWAP. And contributing more and more, filling up of the imbalance candle that we've got right there. I only need to make an extra $1,000 and we're gonna hit the maximum needed, guys. Everything's good, Anton. Everything's good, Anton. We are green everywhere. On Tap 1 Futures, everything's been green. On Ticktick Trader, everything's green so far. Right, so back-to-back good trades. Appreciate it. How's it going your day, buddy? Knowledge Zap. This is not on Top Step. This is on Ticktick Trader. They're utilizing Project X trading platform, just like Tap 1 Futures that is utilizing Project X too. Exactly the same like Top Step. Exactly the same. Markets are cascading as expected here. So on Ticktick Trader, you can have a $250,000 account. And that's what I have.
Order filled.
I actually closed half of my position. I don't like this buying we had here on the 1 minute. So I unrisked a little. That doesn't mean the markets cannot continue lower in the next period. Depends basically. So there is a lot to say. Tap 1 Futures or Ticktick Trader. I've sent you the link in the chat. You have the ability to check out there and see the prices as well. Yeah, we have an imbalanced candle, a fair value gap here exactly. And I'm looking to take part of the squeezing room here until the daily VWAP, right there. That's the theory of the trade. Looking to see the markets pushing till the end. We got plenty of time till the market opens. Very interesting. I'm gonna put my stop loss right above that candle. We would have been stopped out there. That's an interesting rejection on the 30s.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this.
Order filled.
We're sitting on 4 contracts again. with a target on 310 representing slightly above the $1,000 needed. Yeah, we're speaking about straight to funded, instant funding, Ticktick trader, but also tap on futures are instant funded. Everything that I trade, including Thrive Trading, are instant funding. And as Zampini, that really depends on the account that I'm trading, the level of the account, the size of the account. Usually, I do want to leave buffer that is sufficient for my style of trading, which most of the time is pretty aggressive. I do want to leave as much buffer as possible, and at the same time, I will always go for the maximum payout allowed. Right, so I'm trying to make some extra little money on top of the things and go for the maximum payout. That's the number one priority. You should, guys, follow the same principle. Indeed, it's good to build up numbers, have buffers and safety, but at the same time, before speaking about digital numbers, we got to make sure we get some real money out of the business and we get paid for what we're doing, for what we're trading. So take the maximum out at a time you have a chance. This is the number one priority. And then at some point, of course, when you're sitting on a tens of thousands of dollars profits from a firm, from a single firm, for example, indeed, it's a different business. You can think about the way you're building the account for the lot trading and for the transition. But for the moment, let's just take out the maximum possible. There is a risk here, guys, for the markets to take some of the liquidity hiding below here.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can do it. Otherwise, I'm going to be out of the trade. I don't mind. We're sitting on 6 contracts, on 6 minis. If the bears are missing, basically, to put the pressure here, I'm gonna be out. Come on, let's go. Complete that squeezing momentum. And let me collect everything that's needed. Moving my stop loss to my entry. I don't need 1,600. I only need $1,000. We're very close to touch our profit. 5 points needed. And we would be hitting the targets. 310 is definitely an interesting point of an entry. I hope we get it. I hope we get it. That looks pretty ugly.
Order filled.
And we got break even on that. We got break even on that. It stopped going, guys. And that was a great chance, by the way, but it stopped going. This is a place that looks like bulls are trying to accumulate. So I'd like to see if we have any form of strength for a continuation out of this whole picture. I would like to see that. Plenty of time to go. More than 30 minutes for the US markets. And we're already sitting in a comfortable position here. At this point, we could clearly say that we have a potential downtrending channel there, and now the big question is going to sit around the golden pocket in between the two black lines that are horizontally moving. We could convert this into the resistance and then continue basically our move into the imbalance candle on the left side here. This is going to be very interesting. This is a no man's land right now to trade right here. Look at that one.
Order filled.
Let me see if there is going to be continuation at this time.
Order filled.
Is it going to be continuation at this time?
Order filled.
Oh my gosh. We're ready to do it. Aren't we squeezing and taking that whole liquidity out? Yeah. Let's see, what is their choice? Yeah, the question is, Zakaria, the question is, which is the first liquidity point we're going to grab? 310 or above 340s? In a pretty undecided situation that we're right now. $310 or 340? Which is the first liquidity that we are grabbing? I'm going with the shorts, guys. Stop loss right above the current candle. I'm going to trail this. Looks decent so far. We're trying it. Stop loss on my entry. Come on. And I'm out.
Order filled.
Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. We got the profit needed. And here we are. That's just great. That is just great, guys. Feels very good. We are great. We are fine. We're all trapped in between, but the first liquidity has been grabbed, guys, to the lowers. Speaking about the 312 right here. Welcome. Hey, guys. Reaction is prompt. Yeah, the daily VWAP has not been touched. That one sits around 302. But there's tons of liquidity right now created for the both sides, by the way. Greetings. Let's go, guys. The reaction is prompt, pretty aggressive, as expected it, as needed. Yet I'm not going to trade anything for the moment. We got a great profit here, 2,700 on Ticktick Trader and 1,500 on my Tap 1 futures. Both are instant funding. A little later today, we're going to trade our new Thrive trading accounts on Quantower. So we are continuing our great streak, back-to-back green days and trades. Of course, the giveaway of $50,000.
Order filled.
Interesting opportunity here that I'd like to see.
Order filled.
5 points, micro scalping, allowing me to get to $3,000 mark on total profit. This little pullback, we got a bunch of liquidity above 40s. So I don't think they're gonna let that open and untouched. Keep going. Beautiful. Moving the stop loss. What a denial.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out there. Might be looking for that whole imbalance scandal or daily VWAP, right? We might be looking into that. Had to place tight there with my
Order
stop
filled.
loss. Let's see if we can do a runner here into the liquidity of the highs. That would be an interesting theory, guys. For a micro double bottom here.
Order filled.
I would need actually around $630 here. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. We have some strong impulse 1 minute reactions, but the continuation, as you guys can see, is missing. The continuation is missing. We're going to do it in the following way. 305. Some limit buys over here. In case we have the opportunity to DCA at proper levels. Has not been taken out yet. And we have been missing, pushing all the way back into the 30s as the first target. The support we built here around 310 is holding so far, and they are capable of defending it. But the continuation is kind of missing above the 20s. It's very interesting how they're building liquidity over here too. This is an important move that we just got. Moving it to my entry, guys. Slightly below. Deleting the other limit orders. Finally, we are about to continue out here. Moving it again to my entry. Break even right now. Come on. We only need another 4 points here. I actually
Order
sold
filled.
a contract. And I'm going to sell another contract on 31. We got 20 minutes to go, guys, for the New York session. Keep going. Keep going.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Another one has been sold. So $250 is actually needed for me to earn sufficient to the $3,000 mark. I'm gonna trail right below this green candle. Playing this one very, very tight, guys. Look at it. Come on. Get to the upside. And allow me to make my $3,000 copy traded account. That's going to be $6,000. Morning, everyone. Thank you. Son of a Greek. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Order filled.
And we have touched the profit, guys. $3,000 with a new round of fireworks. Back-to-back green trading today. Beautiful. So everything's green today. Everything, guys. Top 1 futures, maximum needed. Ticktick trader, maximum needed. They're all copy traded. They're all getting to the targets. That's the name of the game. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Now, we're gonna also consider the Thrive Trading. Let me quickly set up Thrive Trading. Beautiful, buddy. Beautiful, Zach. Good job. We have fellas in our community on Discord. Make sure to join, guys, in our Discord. I'll pin the link in the chat. Especially to be part of the giveaway today, you gotta be on our Discord. A little later today, we're doing $50,000 instant funding giveaway. So let me just bring our quant tower in the business. Our quant tower in the business, guys. Functioning with Rhythmic. Let's go, guys. Looking forward. We're gonna do right now 5 copy trading accounts, 5 of them with Thrive Trading. 5 accounts of 150,000. That I actually got today. I've tested the trading. We made around $200 on each already. I had to test out Quant Tower. I had to test out the accounts before we started our streaming. Our technical analysis is going to still be made on TradingView. But we are continuing with trading on our Quant Tower. Here we are. Let me just quickly organize the space here a little bit with the Quant Tower. So you would be able to see all the things a little better. Quickly gotta organize the things. Here we are. So we've got this accounts. Five accounts, 150,000. Let's go, guys. We made 250 bucks on this accounts. We tested today the way they're working and everything. 250 has been made. You will see at the time we open up a trade that we've got 5 accounts. Looking at the Nasdaq NQ out here, let me share with you. I can open up a trade here. I can open a short. And now you should be able. They're copy traded, as you can see. You see the gross P&L. We're looking at the Nasdaq here. For Thrive Trading. Keep going. We actually need at least $250 to be counted as a trading day, and we gotta do that $9,000 basically. Adding a little more to this. We're sitting on 2 contracts. 2 minis. I'm gonna get out if this is going to be ugly. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, I always copy trade, especially here with Thrive. We're doing 5 accounts copy traded. They got their launch promotion 35% right now for the first week. Eight minutes to go for the US opening. Are we forcing for the breakout here? I'm gonna get out. If it wants to run, I'll be out. Beautiful. Come on. Come on. And we have touched the profit, guys. There you go. That was quick and beautiful, right? Congratulations, guys. We have 665 made totally. As you can see, closed profit and loss 665. How much did we had? We had about 200 and so. So we made more than $400 in this trade for all the accounts, 5 accounts. Been expecting a squeezing before, and the great part is that we actually got. So guess what, guys? We made $600 here. We also touched the target here. I mean, I'm gonna be careful right now with the trades, because we kind of touch a serious target here. Thank you, by the way, guys, for joining. Make sure to stick with us till the end. We have a $50,000 giveaway instant funding account. This is a very interesting situation here with the markets. Let me show you why is it getting all that resistance. Oh. Look at it, guys. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Profits banked for the day, $665 here. And a lot made on the other sides. Right? A lot made on the other sides. Let me share that with you. We're facing resistance because of the trending line that we have here, which is confirming its activity. This is what stepped in. 3,000 on Ticktick Trader. $1,400 on Tap 1 Futures. Unstoppable today. Everything's green today, guys. Everything. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. Appreciate it. Look at the selling pressure that has been triggered. Probably this is going to take us into the daily VWAP. Right here. Right there. Look at that one. Exactly. Thank you. Appreciate it. So, J. Cola, tomorrow, Core PPI. You can do microscoping. You are allowed to do microscoping. You are fully allowed to trade in whatever way you want to trade, guys. Including microscoping. Whoops. Continuing more and more aggressively, less than 2 minutes to go. So you want to pay attention to this. We could get a movement like that, right? We want to pay attention to that. Less than 2 minutes to go. And it's going below, guys. We have then less than a minute to go. And this is sliding. Look at that 5 minute. That 5 minute candle represents a significant strength. Major strength. 5 seconds to go and we get the opening bell. And here we are. With the markets trying to get open to the upside. Look at a nice push. Let me try to short this a little. We're copy trading. Putting the stop loss a little bit higher. Around $250 would be for the profit. And this one went to the upside. Oh, you can't see my trade, guys. Okay. Let me switch back. We had a trade here open. What a huge move. We lost around 250 in that one. But we are green pretty much everywhere. That's the most important part. Look at the price section, guys. Look at the price section. What a wild movement we got on the opening bell. Look at that one, guys. This is pretty wild. Pretty crazy, right? Pretty crazy. Let me see if I could sculpt something out here. Let me see if I could sculpt something. And I'm out. We made something. We actually made something over here. We're up to 520 bucks, right? And we've been shorting that and market is pushing, guys. This is crazy. Look at that candle on my page, on my screen. Let me take you to the charts. 90 points pump. Wow. On Tap 1 futures, it's allowed microscoping, but you cannot abuse. You cannot abuse, basically. I'm trading after New York, but only on the live stream. Nvidia is up by 3.70%. Look at that, guys. This is total madness. This is total madness. With the movements we are getting today. 5-minute candle we got out here breaking out. And then look at the 4 hours. Let me take you to this real charts out here. 4-hour representation. It's just a non-stop continuation. Look at the daily, guys. I mean, we could say that we're going to use a trending line here for the daily. Like this. And there is a nice fair value gap right here in the highs for the 4 hour. But that one sits very close to the 22,000s. Having a such push, guys, from 16,500 all the way to 22,000, forming a V-shaped recovery. Look at this. That would actually be totally insane. That's crazy, right? Totally insane. Let me just go ahead and see how to monetize these movements with a bit of microscoping here on the new platform Thrive Trading. We got into the 400s here. I'm not primarily a short trader. Most of the time I'm longing. Speed Racer. Most of the time I'm longing. Can I monetize here? A little short. Beautiful. And we made money with that, fellas. We are 680 bucks up. Have a look into that. This is the microscoping. Have a look into that, fellas. 680 bucks copy traded. That was taking just a few seconds. Hope you saw that on the video. Hope you saw that on the video, just a few seconds, but you can see on the profit and close numbers. You can see that on the P&L. We got some support on 370s. Let me test out a little long here. And I'm out of this. Good. We made some money there. Yeah. When the P&L is not showing means the trade has been closed, but you see the P&L on the right side where you see my closed profit and loss. That's the P&L for the day. That's changing basically after each trade. $775 right now. You see that value changing. Come on, take it back into around the 70s. We have support appearing, which is why we actually got that nice wick. This is what's happening, guys, in the charts. It's not bearish, right? It's definitely not bearish, as you guys can see this. It's definitely not bearish. Testing out a little long here. Keep going. Keep going, come on. We're right here on the 70s. We got stopped out of this. Yeah, Project X is better, but they don't have Project X. So we have to trade with the software they have. Not the first time using Quantower. I've been using it some time ago, but it's definitely not better than Project X. Come on, keep going to the upside. And we got to the profit, 665. We had about two trades in a loss we had, but then this one was great, putting us back at the level we gotta be. I think now looks better. It's a decent platform, but not as enjoyable as Project X, certainly not. So we've got here 665. Adding a little more to this. Actually opening up the trade. And I'm out. Beautiful, 850 bucks. Back into a trade here. Expecting a form of rejection here to appear. Otherwise, we're gonna get cooked, right? A rejection with the market pushing back. Otherwise, we will get cooked over here. Yep. That's tremendous, guys. Have a look into the price section. Oops. Have a look into the price section, guys. Yeah, I have to fix the sound. I have to fix basically the way it is looking on the page. Have to fix a whole lot, but we totally got back at the same level. This is crazy, guys. On the Nasdaq. Gotta get used a little more to that platform. Certainly gotta get used a little more to that platform. But we are continuing. And guess what? Guess what, guys? Giveaway time. Giveaway time. This is gonna be massive. Massive giveaway time. Now, today, exactly right now, guys, giveaway time. We are doing a $50,000 account for Thrive, and we're gonna play the Guess the Number game. Guess the number, guys. That's what we're gonna play today. And we are doing this one between 0 and 10, but do not say anything for the moment. Let me tell you the rules, guys. Do not say anything for the moment. Do not write anything in the chat. You gotta stop it, guys. Do not write any numbers in the chat for the moment. You gotta listen to the rules. You gotta stop, guys. Wait, I will tell you when to start. I will tell you. Wait. Let me tell you the rules first. Only one guess, no more numbers, but do not write anything. Only one guess by person between 0 and 10. I will tell you when to start writing. I will tell you guys. Only one guess by person between 0 and 10. Please, do not write more numbers. Only one. I'm going to take the winners, which more likely there's going to be more, and we're going to go to round number 2. Round number 2 is going to be a duck race. We're going to play that game. And that's going to be a race with the winner right there. So do not write anything for the moment, but prepared. And you can go ahead and let me know. Guess the number, guys. Only one. Start. Come on. Guess the number, guys, between 0 and 10, including 0 and 10. And then we're going to spin the wheel. We are sharing the Thrive $50,000 account. The moment I'm going to say end, it's going to be the end. The moment you see end in the chat, it's over. Only one number per person, guys. Come on. And OG Maximus with number 7. He's the last guy. OG Maximus number 7 is the last guy. Now, before I spin the wheel, everyone, like the video you're watching. Everyone, come on. You have to like the video to be part of the game. You have to be subscribed on my YouTube channel. Ring the bell. We are streaming from Monday to Friday every day at 8 a.m. EST time, right? Daily giveaways. And make sure you're part of my Discord as well. Beautiful, right? So, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, everyone. I think that's going to be number 10 or number 4. But I think it's going to be number 10. Beautiful, guys. So the winner is number 10. Let me know, all of you that got number 10. Let me know, all of you that got number 10. We are going to play the duck race. We are going to play the duck race, guys. Number 10. So let me take it one by one. Who has number 10? Boxing corner. Boxing corner has number 10. Son of a Greek has number 10 as well. Master Trader. BLT. Verifying right now. Buddy. And that's kind of everything, guys. That's kind of everything. We got 5 going to round number 2. Out of so many, it's only 5. Verifying the list right now, we don't have more. I just want to double check that none of these guys had an earlier number, because as I told you, only 1 guess per person, guys. Good luck, everyone. Let's take this one to 65 seconds. Set. We are gonna shuffle the characters. Let me take my face away from here. Right, so 1 minute and 5 seconds. You are gonna race, guys. I'm gonna shuffle the characters. One more time. This is the way we're gonna do it, guys. This is the one that I like it. So, are you guys ready? Let's go. Start. Look at that one. Look at the dino. He's a dino boxing corner. He's a dino. BLT is a doctor. What do you guys think about 40 seconds to go? This is like a New York session opening. We had a lot of the green trading today. So who is the winner? I think Buddy or BLT. I think one of those two guys, Buddy or BLT. 20 seconds to go. Master Trader is dominating. Yeah, losing strength. And Buddy comes in. It's gonna get wild. Look at the Buddy. Or BLT is gonna speed up. No. Master Trader, are you the winner again? Oh my gosh. That was totally unexpected, guys. Totally unexpected from the Master Trader. He has won a $50,000 instant funding account on Thrive Trading. Thrive Trading, which is giving out the highest discount. If you guys are looking forward with a scramble coupon code ENJOY, we have a video on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Looking forward to it. Tomorrow as well, continuing our streams, continuing our giveaways. And Master Trader, you know what you gotta do. You have to reach out to me on Discord, on private message, direct message. And that was very close. Tomorrow, 10 people is gonna go with number 10. But that's gonna be exciting, guys. Thank you so much, Ismail. Have a good time. Enjoy. And good luck.